Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to show you how you can actually install the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS working in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is another comment which I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2, which is actually working perfectly fine. The only problem with this Realme GT Neo 2 and other Snapdragon 870 chipset is that by default it is not enabled with the 90 FPS. So you need to use the GFX tool or maybe the config file to get the 90 FPS working. Most of the time that's the main problem why few of the users they're actually worrying. But let me try to show you friends exactly in this video. I'll try to demonstrate how to play it 90 FPS this Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So right now, as you can see clearly, without using any kind of tricks, we can actually get only 60 FPS, 60 Hz refresh rate and 60 FPS showing clearly. But if you try to use few config file or maybe GFX tool, then you will be able to play it 100% 90 FPS without any kind of issues. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let me try to clear everything from the background, RAM management, and as you can see, these are the applications which you need to play it 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So first thing is that you do require the GFX tool. So before I did use the config file, and using the config file, the account is getting banned very immediately, friends. I think maybe after playing couple of games only the account is getting banned, but definitely maybe using this GFX tool I was able to play non-stop without any kind of banning of the account. That's what I can definitely say that. So you can download this GFX tool from the Play Store, and once you download the GFX tool, try to select the same kind of settings what I have selected at this moment. Same settings as you can see exactly. Similar kind of settings, try to select and try to click the BGMI 1.6.6. So after selecting this exact version what you are trying to use, and let's select the 90 FPS and try to select all these kind of options, high, extreme and extreme. As you can see friends, now click on the accept and click on run the game. So in case if you don't get any kind of 90 FPS, also don't worry, there's another one more method. As you can see, even after clicking the 90 FPS, I'm not getting any kind of 120 Hz displaying here. It's showing 60. As you can see friends, that's where the next application will come into the play, which is set edit application. Yes. Now as you can see clearly, in the settings it's got activated the 90 FPS, but let me just show you another application which is the set edit application. So by clicking on the set edit application, here you need to change the value of the peak refresh rate. So let me show you where you can actually find the peak refresh rate value. So alphabetical, yes, it is a peak refresh rate. So click on the edit value, and from 120 you need to change the value to 1 and click save. Now it will automatically force use the high refresh rate on all the applications in all the games whatever you're trying to use, and the magic happens. Now you can actually play at 90 FPS without any problem in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see friends, excellent. Now it's working completely fine without any kind of problem. It's not decreasing to 70 or not decreasing to 60, nothing at all. It's completely forced using at 90 FPS without any kind of problem in the Realme GT Neo 2. In case if this kind of trick is working for you, make sure to hit that like as well, and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. And using this kind of GFX tool definitely friends may ban your account as well, so make sure to not try in your which account you use every day. If you want to just enjoy this kind of 90 FPS smoothness, then you can actually try in another dummy account. But still, I'll try to do a couple of gameplays. I'll try to let you know how is the experience. Now you can actually see friends real-time FPS, which is not decreasing below 90. As you can see, it's kind of staying really good. No issues till now with the FPS count. And let me try to play the game Team Deathmatch for some time. I'm going to increase slightly volume. So I'm trying to mention again friends, I'm not that good at gaming, so sorry for this kind of bad gaming overall. But overall it was able to play really smooth. Without much kind of lag. So I'm trying to use the Realme triggers. These are the Realme gaming triggers friends. So you can actually find the Realme website. So there you can actually find the Realme gaming triggers. So this cost about I think 699 rupees. Realme gaming triggers you can buy from the Realme website if you want. But right now I was able to play exactly 90 FPS friends without much kind of problem. You can see. So in case if you want me to do any other reviews on other smartphone, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of reviews on other phones as well. How to play at 90 FPS. I'll definitely do my best to post the video. As soon as possible with other phones as well, very soon. So I was able to play without much kind of lag or any kind of delay. Overall, no problems. So it was able to maintain exactly 90 FPS friends. So using this kind of method, perfectly all right. As you can see friends, not bad in terms of the 90 FPS gameplay. And now I'll try to do the normal FPS drop test as well. Then we'll be able to understand slightly better results what is happening. And usually this kind of GFX tool application doesn't work in most of the, I think, few phones. But luckily it was able to work in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So that's the reason I thought of demonstrating on this device. So let's do the normal FPS drop test in the Pochinki, and then I'll try to show you. The main reason why I did select Pochinki is because there's auto dropping, so where I can actually focus on the FPS. So right now let's see the FPS drop test friends exactly in the Pochinki. I'll try to do the drop test. Exactly in this location. So right now try to observe exactly what is the FPS drop, as you can see clearly. So now you will be able to focus exactly on the FPS, what is going on. So right now we are getting about 87 FPS and 87, not bad. 88 FPS we are getting exactly in the Pochinki drop test. So using this kind of config file, I mean GFX file only, I was able to demonstrate this kind of FPS count, 84. So it came as low as 84 FPS. So since there is no floating FPS option, that's the reason I was unable to show you exactly. If there is any kind of floating FPS, this could be really good. So hopefully in the Realme UI 3.0 that problem got resolved anyway. No need to worry. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I was able to play this kind of game without any kind of much problems at this moment. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.